Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a bit chatty and also a very updated kind of video because I wanted to also update what's been happening lately. And of course, I have a bag and a story about it. But this one is because I already opened it. That's why I have a story to tell you about it. I know it's opened in a way, but I haven't unwrapped it fully. But I'll be unwrapping it to you guys today. Now, this bag, of course, it's a bag, but it's been a crazy reason why I wanted this bag. Now, this isn't from me to me. This is actually like a special treat because I accomplished something that I've always wanted since I guess when I was like starting to get a little more to the things that I really like. And I finally got my driver's license. Yes, and that's what I've been keeping busy lately, especially on the weekends because I really had to practice because here there's a requirement on a practical and a specific hours, some basic minimum hours, but I did a lot of it just to be sure that I'll be able to pass my license exams, and I was able to, so I'm very happy about it. And surprisingly, my hubby wanted to treat me for this. That's why it was an unexpected because as you notice, I've been unwrapping, unboxing a lot of bags lately, and I'm so happy about that. I think I'm gonna be toning down next year just because I kind of not really like checked out a couple of them already, but it's just that I want to take it more slow now because I have already built up a collection of the leather bags that I really like, that are the colors that I really like and use more often. So right now I think I'm gonna be toning down with collecting bags for next year, but we're not sure. Maybe we could get a one or two bag, but I'm not gonna expect anything. I'm not also planning on getting or rushing something. But this bag, I fell in love in the short amount of time that I saw it. I fell in love with it. Now, I'm a fan of Heart Evangelista, and she has this beautiful yellow Kelly bag in, I think, a silver hardware, and I think it's retourne or retorn style. And I am a follower and avid lover of Dishwilu. I love her beautiful Jean Poussin Birkin in silver hardware. Now, I first saw the yellow bag in Heart Evangelista's stories, and she's been using it. But unfortunately, I didn't like it. I said, it's too slouchy. I don't think I'm gonna like it. I don't think I'm gonna like yellow. And it was a beautiful yellow. I forgot what color that yellow tone is. But with Joshua Lu, when I saw her yellow Birkin bag, I fell in love with that. I fell in love with yellow in Birkin. But I think I would prefer Birkin in yellow in a gold hardware, not in a silver hardware. So now that I mentioned that, guess what is in here? It's a small bag, yes, and as you can see, it's not gonna be a Birkin 20, okay? It's not. It's gonna be a mini Kelly, and I think of course you guys are going to assume already. So the story is, like I said, I mentioned the Heart of Anglisa has a Kelly bag, but in silver hardware, and I think it's a 25. I saw this bag in the Look Official. I loved it so much. I fell in love with it like instantly. It was just love at first sight. And I couldn't get it out of my mind. I when the moment I got home, I shared it to hubby. I told him about it. It's so beautiful. But of course, I think a couple of us already seen the Look Official, and they have beautiful bags, and that bag is beautiful. I'll try to insert the photo when I was staring and obsessing about the bag, and it was so beautiful. And that moment, yeah, I tried to find it. There was actually an incident that my hubby got one, but the seller was able to only send the wrong color, and it was shocking because he was having back and forth conversations with the seller, and the seller showed him a specific color, and it was different from the one that we got. So I unboxed that actually. I don't know if I'm going to share it, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very surprised It's from my hubby. I don't know what this is. Okay, I'm not sure. I have a feeling, but I'm not sure honestly because it's this is a surprise from him. The story is because he got me this. It's literally he doesn't know what it looks like. Like the box hasn't been opened, and yes, he got me a bag. He chose this, and I don't know what it is. I don't know what color it is and anything like that. And I'm very excited. Thank you, hubby. So, okay, let's get into it. So it came in this box. So of course the package stamp, and it looks like that. Yes, he said that I will be happy. So let's see. Okay, it came in a box. Okay, there's a box. There's an orange box. Okay, wow. Okay, I'm kind of excited. Oh my god. That's so. This is so nice. Oh, it's not tied. The ribbon is not wrapped around it, so we're gonna open it now. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see, but to reveal, it got bent. That's the sad part. But oh, look, this is so nice. So, oh my gosh. It is a yellow Kelly 25 in this beautiful, beautiful silver heart. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. It was really awkward, and that's when I also know that this is not much of a surprise anymore because I already knew the car was gonna get me. So we found one. Yes, we found one, and we were able to check it. So this is the right color. So yes, okay. So I'm rubbing too much on. So let's just it's here. I will put it here. So the seller was sweet enough to actually include a box and a paper bag so that it could be in a paper bag as well. So the box, unfortunately, the box was too small, but I was lucky that the handle didn't get deformed because as you can see, it's a small one, especially if you're going to get a small Kelly and you know the specific size I like for a mini Kelly, which is not a 20, not a 19, it's specific on in 22. And the bag I saw in the Look Official is actually size 22. And so, in here is the supposedly the most stunning bag that I fell in love with, and I think I'll fall in love again. So, he got me this as a prize for finishing my license. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful yellow. I mean, seriously. So, here is my mini Kelly 22 in a beautiful baby yellow color. I'll try to find what shade this is close to, but it's either close to Jean Citron or Limoncello. And I really like Limoncello. It's so cute. So this one, and of course, it's in silver hardware. When I saw this from the Look Official in their shop, I fell in love with it. And in silver hardware also, I like kept trying it on. It was just crazy. And unfortunately, I actually wanted a 25 because I think in this structure, okay, so it's in Retourne, or usually mini Kellys are actually in structured or in Cellier, and I wanted it in Cellier. Harvey Evangelistas was actually what do you call this? Return. So it's not some I guess that's probably the reason why I didn't like it. And I saw so many shops in Shopee that got the return one and I wasn't sure about it, and a lot of them didn't have the silver hardware. So my hubby actually asked from the same shop where he got my baby blue one, which we call her Beta, and so they actually have one in silver hardware, which is, if you guys know the story that I told about that one, it was supposed to be silver hardware. The blue should be supposed to be silver hardware, but the seller changed it and sent us the gold one. But it's okay. It was still stunning. It still looks good. But this one, I had to get it in silver hardware. And yeah, I checked. There's a 4 feet. It's a beautiful small Kelly bag, and I think it'll be perfect because I think having this to be in a bigger bag, I think it's not going to be as easy for me. But I honestly would love it in a Birkin 25 in gold hardware, which is actually, I mentioned that as part of my wish list. And of course, the seller also talked to us about, because the I think the yellow that I showed is a reference to a real Hermes yellow, and unfortunately, the seller said that they don't have one that is yellow lining, but that was okay because the one that I saw, I fell in love with. The edgings were actually darker color, which is like this chocolate brown, and it still looks beautiful. It has that kind of definition, and yeah, so it has the stickers here, and let's open it. Okay, so I'm glad that it's not deformed because as you can see, it's still formed the handle, so I'm happy about that. But I'm just keeping it first just to make sure that it didn't go far from being deformed too much. So inside there is a, what do you call this, a filling area, and then of course the long strap. So when I actually check bags, usually I actually base them on the strap, if it's nice and if it's a real good leather. Of course with the bag I already know it's nice good leather, but yeah, I had to just check. And okay, yeah, it's good leather. I needed one in silver hardware. It was like a must to have it in the silver hardware. I don't know, with this one, when I saw it in this combination, it was just it was just instant love. So let's put inside. As you can see, basically inside is, there's just a back strap and it's empty. There's nothing there. There's no zipper pockets. And let's remove this. So we got the handle out, and then we'll get the stickers. I also want to get a like long-term review with these bags and how the wear of them are, because like I said, I want them to be an investment, but not an investment just because I want to resell them. No, it's just an investment that I am choosing bags, or I'm buying bags that I actually want to have for the lifetime that I have, and maybe share it to my daughter. Okay. I have to mention to you guys, removing the stickers of this one, the turn lock, is so hard. It usually is the one that I'm very scared of removing. But yes, I got it already with some scissors. And then of course the final one. I don't often remove the feet protectors. Sometimes they just automatic fall off. That's not my control. But yes, this is my mini Kelly. It is so beautiful and gorgeous. I really can't. I'm so happy with it. Having this one in my collection makes me feel like it's, I don't know, it's such a beautiful sunshine color for me. It's a beautiful baby yellow, and it's perfect for the silver hardware. I think with the mini Kellys, I actually have already a good decent amount of colors that I need. I have the red one, I have the baby blue, and this one. But with this one, I think it's perfect to have this in a baby yellow in a small one. Hopefully, I find that dream yellow Birkin 25. I don't think I'll get it in a 30 because I got before a 30 in a yellow, but it was a mustard yellow that I just gifted instead. But that one was like pure leather, so it's real leather, and yes. Okay, I will link the shop below. With the other shop, I might not link it now until I maybe check something there, because the bag was beautiful. The color was just not me. It was mustard. It was a mustard color as well. But it was really just not me. I couldn't accept it. I don't often deny a bag or deny a color if it's different. But this one was so different from the color that I wanted that I really couldn't accept it. And I'm very, very happy getting this one. This one is insane. It's a beautiful baby yellow. You cannot tell me this is not beautiful. So yeah, this is the bag. I'm so happy to have it, and I'm so obsessed. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. By the way, this doesn't come with a lock key and clochette, but it has a strap, and it has adjustable straps, and it has the lock here. I actually like this one because some of the other straps before of my peel leathers doesn't have the extra strap lock here to make sure that it doesn't flap around. So this is really good quality. I am so happy with the bag. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys actually like the color that I got with my new baby, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.